Hello friends, welcome back. So today we are going to analyze Bombay Dyeing stock. Uh, it looks at a pretty good level, and that's why I've chosen this stock to analyze. And the next one that I would be analyzing is HDFC Bank, which does not look very good in terms of entering. So let us go ahead and analyze this. So this is a weekly chart, and we see that there is a level around these prices. So that is clearly visible. If I go a little bit down, you can see the bottom of these candles as well as the top of these candles. So that's how we draw a support or a resistance zone to see where the points are. And we see around these prices, that is the low of these candles, could be something where we can look at a possible support. So the market was coming down, it took a resistance around these prices, support around these prices, went up and then broke it, and then came back and took a support around resistance around this, and now it is taking a support around the same price. So if you look at this is not a straight line, but if we go ahead and draw it, we'll see not a particular point, but rather a whole zone where we can look at it. So from a weekly perspective, this looks like a pretty huge upside. But let's go deeper and see from a daily perspective what it is. So here you see that the market came down, tried to break this once, did not. So this becomes a very good resistance zone, and once broken, it becomes a support zone. So we see that once the market broke, it went up, came back down, and took a support around these prices only. So this 60 I see as a very great kind of support. The other thing is, if we go a little more back, uh, we see some more things happening here. So we see that this was the point that we see, and apart from that, another point is this one, because here is where the market took a support and then went flying up. So the whole point being that we can look at an immediate entry point around these prices with a stop loss below 69. So that is one. But in case a better investing strategy here would be to enter around these prices, hold and average around these prices. That's how I trade it, but then it depends from person to person and the risk appetite. So I see 59 is the extreme bottom where I would personally book my losses. But in terms of entry, I see this as a good entry. A better entry would be somewhere around 60s, but even if you're trading right now, you can enter now with an immediate stop loss of below 69. Then you can buy around 60 once again and exit below 59. So that is how you should trade this. The immediate take profit would be around around these prices, which would be 90s. So that is a good 30% that I see here on the upside, and the second booking point would be around 118. So I would say book almost 40% of your profits around this level, the top of these candles around 91, 92, 94 type of prices, and then hold the rest for this one. So that is my analysis of for Bombay Dyeing. I think you should. It is a good stock to enter with an immediate stop of below 16, below 69, and an extreme stop below 59. So that is my analysis of Bombay Dye. Do write to me if you have any questions, comments, and I've made a Telegram channel. Already has 200 odd people who trade futures options and have a good healthy discussion. If you want, you can be a part of it. The link is in the description, and I also have shared my email ID. If you want, you can write to me on my email. Thank you so much, and have a great day.